What's good, y'all? Today we'll be doing another video. This video is called Yellowstone Unleashed. I've posted a video about this on this game in in my private server in the Bald Eagle, but today I'm in a public server, as you can see, playing as a golden eagle. So where try the private chat, my friend. What's their full username? Let's see if we can catch something. I like the way the wind, if like the wind sound is, just makes the game more realistic. This Alex guy in Joe. One thing I hate about this game, there's a lot of cussers and mixed backers at the same time. So they're it's hard to roleplay. Like, bruh, the only animals that roleplay in this game are mule deers, sometimes elks, and wolves. Especially wolves. Like, are there even wolves in this server? Let me check. No wolves. No, there's not a wolf pack anyway. Ooh, let's try killing this bird. The birds are a bit bugged. Like, if you get attacked in mid-air, you fall down to the ground. Like, watch this. Let me see if I can. Well, that's we're at the crossing zone in Yellowstone. The, we I call it the crossing zone. So let's try taking down this bald eagle or whatever it is. Golden eagle. He's one of my homies. See? Look at what I'm saying. See? Look at what I'm saying. Just gotta be careful. Try not to get hit. I died. The birds are bugged. That's why I don't really like playing as them in the game. Okay, let's try a non-bugged animal. I don't have enough money for bald eagles, so that's why I did it in my private server that day, the other day. So grizzly bear. Why isn't it loading? Oh, lucky internet. Let's try the cougar. The cougar it seems a little bit similar to lion, so I'll take cougar. Why aren't the emotes working? The, the lag when you just spawn is. I love the roar. I love that roar. And the emotes as well while running. Something wild savannah you can't do in wild savannah. And they have like cheetahs. They're fast, but really low stamina. But I still think wild savannah is one of the MVP games, like the OP games. Let's try hunting. Let's see. I want to show you guys how this pounces. I think yeah, we press F to pounce. F to pounce. I'm really looking forward for them to add there's this game the owner of Yellowstone is making. It's called Everglades. I don't know if you guys have heard. He said it on his YouTube channel. He posted a video about it. He showed us the sneak pics and like you say, it's kind of really good. But they're gonna repeat the same model for Cougar and they're gonna repeat the model for Cougar and Grizzly Bear. I think that's what he said. I'm not sure. I can't remember. It's been a long time since I've watched it. The video. I think I'm gonna watch it again. Bro, wait. There's something I want to always see. I've always wanted to see. I want to see if Cougar can pounce like on the bird. Oh, just need a rest. Shit, I'm out of stamina for real. There's nothing to pounce here. There's a bird. My lag. Sorry guys for the lag. I am so sorry for the lag. I didn't mean the lag. It's lagged so much, it's annoying. That's why I said the cougar and the wolf is my favorite animal, and the bear, not the birds. I am so highly disappointed with the birds. Like, come on, I expect better. They can do better than this. They're just being lazy. Like, bet, bruh, my Animal Survivor game is gonna be way better than this. Like the birds, the martial eagle, it's gonna be the graphics are gonna be way smoother. I don't know if you guys have heard about this game. It's somewhere in Roblox. It's called Animalia. Yeah, my Roblox game is gonna be similar. The graphics, it's gonna be like the most OP. Like, just watch and see when done. It's it's gonna be like the most realistic animal game I've ever seen. And when it comes to realistic, I'm MVP. So guys, I think I'm gonna have to end the video here because I don't think there's anything to hunt here really. So I'm gonna have to end the video here. Wait, let me check if there's a mute here. Oof, no mute deers. So I'm gonna have to end the video here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And as always, peace.